Hello students, as you are observing, today in this video we are going to discuss multiples of standard unit of area. As we know that standard unit of area is meter square. It's a meter square. Standard unit of area is your meter square. Now there are different multiples of this meter square. What are they? First one is R. 1 R. R is the multiple unit of meter square and this 1 R is the surface area of a square or of especially square, surface area of a square having side 10 meter. Means suppose we have a square, clear, and each side of the square is equals to 10 meter each side. So area occupied by this square is known as your 1 R, and this 1 R can be expressed as 10 meter into 10 meter. When we find it's a 100 meter square. Always remember 1 R is equals to 100 meter square. This is the derivation of 1 R. We can write down this one in exponent form 10 to the power 2 meter square. Write down each and every part clearly and up to the place. Number 1. Then there is a 1 square kilometer. What is the concept of 1 square kilometer? Area occupied by a square having side 1 kilometer each. Clear? This is known as your 1 kilometer square. And 1 kilometer square equals to what? From the formula we know that it's a 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. All these k's are small k. Need not to read capital K's. These are small k. So it's a 1 kilometer square. And we know that in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter into 1000 meter. Clear? When you multiply we have 1 and after 1 we have 60 meter square, or in exponent form 10 to the power 6 meter square. So these are the multiples of standard unit of area. Next we are going to discuss how we measure the irregular shaped body. Before that we must know the formula for finding the area of some regular shaped bodies. Regular shaped body for square, formula is side into side, as we already discussed. Clear? Side into side. Then for rectangle, as I told to you that for finding the area we need two different types of length measurement. In this case we have length into breadth. One side is known as your breadth. No? Always remember longest is the length and smallest is the breadth in case of rectangle. Then there is a triangle. It's a half into base into height. What are base and what are height? See on that side. Come to this side. If this one is your triangle, clear? So longest is considered as base, and a perpendicular drop from the opposite vertex is known as your height. Clear? So formula is half into base into height. Then next one is your circle. Circle having some unique and complex formula, that is your pi r square, value pi radius square. No? So first remember, this pi is a constant having unique value, it is 22 upon 7. Always remember that value of pi is equals to 22 upon 7, and radius means what? If we draw a circle this side, this is the center and this is the radius. Clear? Half of the diameter is known as your radius. Clear? So this is about circle. Likewise, many more given in your book. All of you must learn those one. These are the basics one. That's why I have explained. From this we derive more and more formulas for different types of figure. Okay, now come to the last topic. Our last topic in today's last topic is area of irregular surface. What is the meaning of area of irregular surface? Suppose we are unable to find out length or sides of an irregular shaped body. So how we find out the area of that body? Suppose I have some leaf of a tree, and we are going to find out the area covered by this leaf. For how we find out, it is difficult for us. For that we use a graph paper. Graph paper but not the or any graph paper. We always use centimeter graph paper. In what is the meaning of centimeter graph paper? In that each square box having side 1 centimeter each. So we place this leaf over the graph paper. Suppose likewise. No? And similarly, see what I am doing here. This one. No? So just see those lines hidden just behind the tree are indicated by the dotted lines. So for finding the area of this one, we first count the complete square box covered by this leaf. So this is a complete one, this one is complete, this one a little bit left but it's complete, this one is complete one. Clear? And then check. If you consider these two makes one box. Clear? These two also consider as one box. It's an approximate. These two consider one box, these two consider one box, and this and this and this and this consider one box. Clear? So how many boxes, complete boxes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and these three consider, we can check one box. Near about 12 square centimeter, because graph is in centimeter unit, so it's a 12 square centimeter, but this is not the exact, it's an approx. So likewise, we can easily find out the irregular set bodies. So that's all for today. All of you try to solve. Try to read first the topics given in your first unit 1.1 and try to solve objective question by yourself. That's all for this week. This video, I will provide you question answers at the end of the chapter. That's why, that's all. All of you must subscribe my channel so that you can easily get the notification for the video. Thank you.